How you doing? Dave Baradinelli with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you aboard the brand new 2023 Sea Ray 400 SLX. This is the outboard model. This has triple 300 V8 Mercuries with joystick control, skyhook. In the back here you can see we've got a nice big sun pad, and this is a nice feature too. You can pivot this backrest, so you've got an option to sit this way. And then on the port side, there is a big storage under there that goes all the way forward, so you can put wakeboards, paddle boards, fenders, dock lines, all sorts of storage. Moving forward, starboard side, you've got a fold down door here, so obviously that opens up and gives you a lot of room for water sports and playing. Coming forward, starboard side, we've got freshwater sink, dual grills, and dual refrigerators as well too. Designated storage for your garbage. You'll see this boat has the optional stone interior. You can get a few different colors. This boat also has the optional sea deck in it. Nice big hardtop here with opening sunroof. Of course, there's all LED throughout the cockpit. Coming forward, you've got a port side double wide seat, and this does pivot. So again, you can be, when you're entertaining anchor or at the dock, you can be with everyone else. Here at the helm, you've got dual helm seats. You've got full dual Simrad MFDs. Of course, that's going to be all your integrated lights, bilge pumps, alarms. And then of course, you've got your joystick control with skyhook. And then on the 40 SLX, this is a great day/overnight boat. And down in the cabin, you're going to see that we're going to have two sleeping areas. One is going to be forward with filler cushions, and the other is going to be in the aft, and that's a really nice section back there for two adults. And then a quick shot here at the head, full head, hot and cold shower, vacuum flush toilet. And you do have a flat screen TV with both. I'll take you to the bow on the 400 SLX, which is a great hangout feature here. You can see it's a very big bow, very deep. You do have storage under all the seats. You've got armrest here, so very comfortable. Forward, you've got a hideaway anchor with automatic anchor windlass. Of course, your remote spotlight, and then you do have a freshwater shower up here. Table that goes here, of course, and again goes down, creates a filler cushion so you can have a big bed. Again, this is a quick walkthrough of the brand new Sea Ray 400 SLX. For any more questions, please visit us at www.marinemax.com or give me a call at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.